Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and today we are going to assemble small XC machine. This is kit. We have some wooden part, a little bit electronic parts, some wheels, battery holders, motor, gear, shafts, and of course we have instruction. Like this car should be on the end, and all steps here is written. Let's start from step number 1, just to separate all wooden parts. This what remain, we don't need this anymore, just we can throw it to garbage. Now we can continue with second part. Okay, it remains the same. Now we have some parts, and from this part we will assemble car. Okay, let's start do it. Follow all our instruction step by step, and on the step number 15 we will have car ready to be used. Okay, this is first step. Second step, we should install this RC control module. Like this we have on the step number 4. By the next step we need to prepare motor, install gear part on the motor shaft. Alright. This is what we should have on the step 6. Okay, now we can prepare wheels with shaft. And now time to start installation with backside wheels. Okay, on this step number 7, the result is like this. By the next step we can start install electromotor. But also we need make soldering to connect electromotor to our RC controller. Okay, now we will connect electromotor. Just for this we need to use soldering iron. and another 2 wires remain just to power supplier, our battery holder. Now we can secure motor, arrange wire and secure motor. Just very important to check these 2 gear was engaged. Now I will install this battery holder. We'll solder just direct plus and minus. Now remain to install this part here on the back. Looking nice. Remain assemble this remote control part. Okay, we are ready to test. We have remote control and our machine. Let's install batteries and make small test. Okay, now just installing batteries. Let's start. Wow. If you like this car and everything what we did today, subscribe for our channel, share with your friends and write in comment what you want to see with this car else, which kind of experiments or some crashes tested and so on. See you